Alright, now we're going to do our motherboard. We went with the A320M S2H ultra durable motherboard socket, AM4 Ryzen Athlon. This is by Gigabyte. Alright, now we're plugged in the USB 3.0. That will go in. Okay, so now we are going to be connecting these little ones. So let's go ahead and check out this board here. So it looks like, this board actually might list where you connect each one. The other motherboard we had did not say. So let's see, LED plus and minus, and this one says LED plus and minus, and that would be the top row. Alright, now we are going to install our Ryzen 3. This also has a Radeon graphics. So what all do we have in here? Okay. Alright, so it powers on, so that's good, we got power. We're going to keep it off. Let's go ahead now. So this is an actual cooling fan. However, I don't think we are going to use it, and that is because we also have, you know, this is a nice one, it's really nice, but let me show you guys.